Hello hoppers, and welcome to Mucho Hop. So I was taking my daily walk and I was walking through the snow, and I was contemplating on what my plans are for 2017. So I decided to film this video because I have such a beautiful background and I wanted to share it with you guys. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about what's in store for 2017. Now, looking back at the previous year, a lot of people have been asking me the same type of questions, so I want to concentrate a little bit on the type of videos involving like solo travel. A lot of people have been asking me about that, if I'm ever afraid to travel by myself. A lot of people are also concerned about layovers, like when you have to change planes. I don't do that very often because I always try and get a direct flight, a non-stop flight, which is different. Another thing people are concerned about is the fear of flying. People are very afraid of flying, not just the actual plane, but they're afraid of missing a flight or not being able to find a gate. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that. I'm also going to talk about the stuff I use when I travel, like suitcases, and I'm going to talk about if I like packing cubes or not, so I'm gonna try and cover things that are a little bit different that I have been doing. Yeah, somebody asked me the other day about duty-free. I usually pass through it, but I never really explain anything about it, so I'm gonna do a video on that. So normally what I concentrate on doing is filming the places I go to, and I film when I go through the airports because I think that could be helpful to some people. Sometimes I feel like I'm repeating myself, okay, have your boarding pass ready and you look for the gate, but the reason why I'm repeating myself is because there's still a lot of people asking me questions about, finding their gate. So yeah, this is what I intend to do in 2017. I hope you guys join me. I really look forward to hearing from you, and let me know if you like something, if you don't like something, or well, don't tell me about the don't like, because that's not fun. But yeah, I mean, we got to be honest here. I want to address things that you guys really need, okay? So thanks for watching. I want to wish you a very happy, healthy, safe 2017. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Who knows where, right? Bye.
Speak.
What?
Speak.
Speak. Testing, probando, testing, probando, sí, no, cuando, sí, sí.